Wishing I could wrap my whole life up in 24 carats of gold. Lately I've been dreaming about diamonds and pearls. Yep, diamonds and pearls.
Today I am doing a beauty summer haul, and I'm going to show you guys the wonderful things that I got. So I'm going to first start off with my Ulta haul, and they were having a great sale, and they had buy $20 worth of products, you get this free makeup bag with all types of cool stuff inside. So I'm going to show you guys that, but first I'm going to show you guys what I purchased from Ulta to get the free gift bag. So first, I forgot to tell you guys that it had to be Ulta brands that you purchased. Got this Ulta moisturizer face daily face glow. So next, what I got the Ulta bronzer, baked bronzer from Ulta, and I also purchased this little eyebrow pencil slash comb-y thingy. So yeah, so that was all I purchased, and it came up to around $21. So then what they gave me in my gift bag gave me my makeup bag that I got for free was these pretty cool brushes. This a contour brush, a sponge tip brush, and a eyeshadow brush. So you get these 3 brushes, and it comes inside of here, which is the makeup bag. Okay, and then they give you this really cool Ulta mascara, and this works very good. So inside was this Ulta lipstick, and it's a nude color. Lip gloss, which is like a pink nudish kind of color, and they give you the Ulta Clean Formal Face Wash, fingernail polish. So you also get to pick out a color eyeshadow. So I decided to get this peach eyeshadow, which I think was very cool for the summer slash spring. So you this flash cheek, and you just put it on your cheeks, and it just looks so nice. I haven't used it, but I did see one young lady that had it on her cheeks that works at Ulta, and it looked pretty cool. Also, what I got, and this is the last thing, I got a eyeliner, which I got a brown eyeliner, and that is it for what they gave me in my little gift baggie. So yeah, so now I'm moving on to my Walgreens haul, and I got this the new Kate, and these are their matte lipsticks, and I just got 2 of those, and this is in the number 101, the Vivids, and I've been wanting the Vivids like forever. So yeah, so this is in the number 900, and it's called Hot Plum. So this is like a plum purplish pinkish color, and I really think these tools that they come in are very cool. 880, and this is electric orange, and this is how this looks. This is a pretty orange. It's not too dark and it's not too light. I really love this color. Fatricia Flash, and it's in a number 865, and this is how it looks, and this is like a Barbie pink. You might not be able to see like it very clear, but yeah, this is like a Barbie pink. So that is it for the Vivid and Whispers, and they come in a very pretty pink cool container, and this is like a real Barbie pink right here. This is lighter than the Vivid, the number 60, and it's called Paddle Rebel. This is like a lavender color, and it reminds me of the Nicki Minaj. I think it's Viva La Glam, yeah. And this is in the number 90, and it is Ooh La Laka, something like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, and again, it's in the number 90. And I only have 2 of those Vivids. I will be expanding my collection of those Vivids and those Whispers because I really love like almost all the colors. So now moving on to the Maybelline. Now moving on to the Maybelline concealer, and this number calf. I mean, this is in the calf color, and I really been the Essie. I'm gonna do the Essies, and this is the green Essie, and this is called the More the Merrier. So yeah, so I really love these cool colors and names that they have, called Sunday Fun Day. And this is how it looks. It's a coral color. I also have this Essie, Nautical, and this is like a teal. Yeah, this is a teal color. And I just love these colors that Essie, this line, and this is the spring line, I believe. And this is the lavender. And this is the last one I have, and this is called Full Steam Ahead. That's also what I got, was the new Nearly Naked pressed powder. And this is in the color, and I see a lot of people using this, so I think this is very good. It was only $10. I also got this Revlon Photo Ready. And this is color corrector primer. They candy using this. And I just was like, I have to get some of this color corrector because I really need Nouveau. And this is new by Wet n Wild. And I have this on my lip right now. It's called Mega Blast. And it's the 924A, the darker pink. And this is 923A. So yeah, so that is it for my haul. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have anything that you want me to do a review on, comment in the description below, and I will try to get that done for you.